Got a 2019 750 BMW on the lift. It's got a V8 twin turbo. Now there's only two ways to get sound out of this car. Either you buy a $4,000 axle back system or a cap back system, or you come to G Exhaust and get a custom mid pipe. So we usually do these for the 550 BMWs, the M5s, anything with a V8 twin turbo. The midsection is definitely where it's at. We're doing a dual 3-inch midsection with an X pipe to equalize the flow, and then we deleted both of the resonators as soon as I find them. They're right here. So yeah, we're getting rid of both of these guys right here. Just a bunch of restriction. This is a luxury vehicle, so they're trying to make it as quiet as possible. This is for the 50, 60-year-old guys that save up their whole life to buy a 7 Series BMW. But if you're a little bit younger and you want to make a little bit more sound out of your V8 twin turbo, delete the resonator, you come to G Exhaust, we'll knock that thing out for you. Pop an X pipe on there to equalize the flow, make sure everything runs smooth, and then run some 3-inch precision piping on that thing right through this tunnel right here. So like I said, we just cut, get rid of those resonators, pop an X for equalization, and making sure that this thing's gonna sound sweet. You do have valves on the back of the mufflers. It is technically covered, so it can't really show you, but the valve control still will work. So if you do wanna go a little bit quieter, put it in comfort mode, still ice cold, all right? Then you put in sport, opens up, gives that M5 type of sound. So we're gonna do this midsection, drop it, crank it, let you guys hear it, and let me know if you guys like this setup on a 750 BMW. Got the 750 V8 twin turbo BMW all done. Like I said, it does have the valve control mufflers in the back. We left that, customer doesn't want a ton of noise. And then we did the 3-inch custom X pipe with the boom equalization pipe right there. Like I said, there's not many options available for this car. If you do buy a cap back, it's about $4 grand, $5 grand, way too much money. I mean, you just want a little bit more sound. This is definitely the way to go, guys. So like I said, we just have to run the pipes up a little bit, clear the stabilizer bar. This thing's out of here, it's ready to go. We're gonna drop it, crank it for you guys. You're gonna hear that V8 twin turbo. And you know, like I said, most customers with this car, they want a little bit more sound. They don't want to go to the factory. They don't want to buy an M performance system. They're just overpriced. There's a little bit more volume on the exhaust. Get rid of both resonators, pop an X pipe on there. Same setup for the M550s, same setup for the M5s, the X5s. It's a pretty common midsection build for these cars. So if you have a BMW, you got a V8 twin turbo, this is a great upgrade for you guys.